In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate knowledge-based articles using Freddyai in Freshdesk. If you're looking for a smart and efficient way to streamline your support content creation, you're definitely in the right place. Let's dive straight into this step-by-step guide. First, head over to the solution section within your Freshdesk account. You can easily locate it on the left navigation menu, and it's usually represented by an open book icon, making it quick to spot amongst the other icons. Once you're in the solutions section, you'll see an option that says New Article. Go ahead and click on that button. If you happen to see a down arrow next to it, clicking there will also give you quick access to the article editor, which is where the magic begins. With the article editor now open, you're ready to start crafting your new article. Now begin by entering a clear and descriptive title for your article. This title should encapsulate the main topic or problem your article will address. Along with the title, provide a few relevant prompts or keywords. These should relate closely to the subject matter, giving Freddyai a solid foundation to work with in generating content. When you feel confident with your prompts, move forward by selecting Generate Solution Article from the toolbar options. By doing this, you're instructing Freddyai to create a comprehensive article based on your initial input. After the article has been generated, take a moment to review it. This step is important because you'll want to ensure the content is accurate and clear. Look for any areas that might require additional clarification or correction, and make the necessary edits to refine the article. Once you're satisfied with the quality and clarity of the article, it's time to publish it. Doing so makes the article officially accessible to your customers, offering them the helpful resources they need. As you're using Freddyai, keep in mind a few tips to enhance your experience. First, focus on creating clear and concise prompts. The more specific you are, the more precise Freddyai can be in crafting your article. Should the initial result not meet your expectations, don't worry. You can easily click undo to revert the changes and adjust your prompts for a better outcome. Finally, remember you can customize the article further once it's generated. Feel free to add relevant images, product details, or other engaging elements to enhance the value and usability of the article for your audience. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to leverage Freddyai for generating knowledge-based articles using Freshdesk.